Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to work on this amazing flipbook. The reason why I'm so excited about this flipbook is that I love how this has a decorative piece in the front which also serves as a tuck spot for your letters and your goodies. It also serves as a magnetic closure. Now how cool is that? I also love how easy it is to make and how beautiful the results are. Here is another example. I start with a cardstock which measures 8¼ inches by 6 inches, and I've scored it vertically at 2 inches, 2 1/8 inches, 6 1/8 inches, and 6 1/4 inches as shown. Now I'm folding along all the score lines. For the front closure, I'm taking a piece of cardstock measuring 3½ inches by 5½ inches. Now I'm making the magnetic closure. Please observe carefully. It is really easy to make once you know the process. I'm using double-sided tape to attach the magnets to the cardstock. I stick the other two magnets to the double-sided tape in such a way that the polarities match, and then stick the front piece of cardstock on top of the double-sided tape. Now I'm taking a piece of cardstock measuring 2½ inches by 5 inches to make the inside pocket of the flipbook. This piece of cardstock has been scored at ½ inches on 3 sides. It's time to decorate the flipbook. For this flip book, I'm using a piece of lace to create the tuck spot for the front piece. And the flipbook is ready. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed making the flipbook. And if you have liked the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. Please also consider subscribing, and for more crafty content, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye-bye.